Today's video is about rice water toner for glass skin. Rice water toner is the secret to Korean glass skin. It resolves all your skin problems and gives you clear skin in just 7 days. To prepare this rice water toner for glass and skin whitening, you need 2 tablespoons rice. Rice contains amino acids, minerals, and vitamins that help slow down the process of aging, reduce dullness, and helps to brighten up your complexion. It also reduces oiliness and soothes your skin. 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that treat acne breakouts and sun damage and improve your skin texture. Half teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin contains a substance that hydrates and moisturizes your skin. Take 2 tablespoons of rice in a bowl and wash it properly 2 to 3 times. Now add half a cup of water into the bowl. Soak the rice overnight. Separate the fermented rice water from rice in the morning. Transfer this rice water to a spray bottle and add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and half teaspoon of glycerin into it. Shake it well, and your rice water toner for glass skin is ready. To achieve glass skin, use this toner twice a day after cleansing.